In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can pay your CIBC credit card bill online and from the mobile app. So with that said, let's get right into it. So for the initial setup, you want to go to CIBC's website. Then you're going to select the Visa card and you're going to select the little menu icon. Then select link account. Select confirm slot. Now my credit card has been linked to my account. Now I can just make a transfer to my credit card. So let's go back to home. Under move money, select transfer funds. From the drop down, select the account that you want to make the payment from, and then you're going to choose the credit card that you want to make the payment to. Specify the amount that you want to pay, select the frequency, and then select next. Then select transfer, and that's basically it. Now you can do the same from the mobile app. So let's head over to the mobile app now, and you'll see how you can achieve this. From the mobile app, once your card is linked, you'll now see the option to pay card, right? So you just select that option, specify the amount that you want to pay, and then you just select the account that you want to make the transfer from and select next and complete the process. And that's literally it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.